Today we will see how to find HCF of 8 and 12 by common division method or ladder method. Many students make mistakes in HCF. I will show you how to solve accurately. Before solving the problem, please go through the steps. Now, let us apply these steps to solve this problem. Observe, in this case, we have only two integers. So, the prime number must divide both the integers simultaneously. Step 1. Start dividing 8 and 12 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides both 8 and 12 exactly at the same time, we get 4 and 6. Again, start dividing 4 and 6 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides both 4 and 6 exactly at the same time, we get 2 and 3. Observe carefully. We should stop here. Since no other prime number can divide at least 2 of the integers simultaneously. In this case, we should stop here since no other prime number can divide both 2 and 3 at the same time. Got it? This is what the step 2 says. Step 3. Multiply all the common prime divisors. In this case, they are 2 and 2. Therefore, HCF of 8 and 12 equals the product of the common prime divisors. That is 2 multiplied by 2 gives you 4. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more details on HCF, please subscribe to my channel and watch the below playlist. Thank you.